Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are well. Hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are looking forward to another week of distance learning. This week in Guided Reading, we're going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's just remind ourselves of our reading strategies. Don't forget, we can use our eagle eye, and that is when we look at the pictures in our book to help with the word, or we can use our stretchy snake, when we look at the letters in a word and we stretch out the sounds slowly and put them back together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. So I'll have a go, then you have a go, and we'll say it all together. Ready? Sport. Sport. You have a go for me? Good job, fantastic. Let's say it all together one more time. Sport. Sport. Lovely. So the book that we're going to be looking at today is called Sport Then and Now. Have a think for me if you think this book is fiction or non-fiction. Boys and girls, this is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Sport Then and Now. Some sports have been played for hundreds of years. Some of these sports have changed a lot. The rules have changed, the clothes have changed, the equipment has changed. This book looks at 5 different sports. These sports are golf, tennis, swimming, rugby and cricket. It looks at the changes in clothes worn to play each sport. It looks at the changes in equipment used to play in each sport. Golf. When people first played golf, they wore very formal clothes. They wore long trousers and skirts. They wore formal hats and shoes. Today, people wear more casual clothes. They wear trousers and shirts or even shorts and t-shirts. They also wear special golf shoes. Golf shoes have thin spikes on the bottom. Spikes stop the golfer's feet from slipping. Today, golfers wear a golf glove on one hand so that they can grip the golf club when it is wet. Golf clubs today look much the same as they did in the past, but they are made out of new materials. In the past, golf clubs were made of wood. Today, most golf clubs are made of different metals. Golf balls today also look much the same as they did in the past. However, they too are made of new materials. The first golf balls were made of wood. After that, the balls were made of feathers tightly wrapped in leather. Golf balls today are made from rubber covered in plastic. Tennis. Women's tennis clothes have changed a lot over the years. In the early 1990s, women had to wear white clothes. Tennis skirts were long. The first shorter skirt was worn in 1922. Today, tennis skirts are shorter. Clothes are easier to move around in as they are stretchy. Players can wear coloured clothes in most tournaments. Tennis rackets today still look like rackets of the past, however they are made from different materials. Tennis rackets in the past were made of wood. They had strings made of animal gut in the 1920s. Leather grips were added. People started to use rackets made of a light metal in the 1970s. Many materials are used to make tennis rackets today. These materials make the rackets lighter and stronger. Swimming. There have been many changes in swimming costumes over the years. In the past, costumes were made of thick, heavy wool. Men wore swimming costumes that covered their chests. Today, swimming costumes are made from thin, light fabrics. Some of these fabrics are stretchy. Men wear short swimming costumes. Some swimmers wear a tight-fitting suit that covers them from the ankle to the shoulders. It is thought that this helps the swimmer swim faster. Rugby. Rugby jerseys worn for rugby have changed over the years. In the past they were made of cotton. The cotton got very heavy when it was wet. Today's jerseys are made from stretchy fabric, which is very light. It also does not get heavy when wet. Over the years, rugby balls have been made out of many things. Often the balls were made out of cowhide. Balls are also made out of camel skin. They were both too slippery. In the past, the ball was nearly round. Today, the ball is oval. Cricket. Cricket is a game that has been played for many years. A long time ago, cricket was played using clubs or sticks. People used a stone for a cricket ball. Bats that look like bats people use today were not used until about 1853. The blade of these bats was made of willow. The handle was made of cane. The cane was covered with rubber, stripes and tied with twine. With all the best cricket bats today are still made of willow. Cricket bats are now made of cork. Cricket balls are now made of cork. They are covered with 4 pieces of hand-stitched leather. They are white or red. The first cricket matches were played in England. The players wore formal clothes. The clothes were white. They wore top hats. Then people watching the game also wore formal clothes. Today, the clothes players wear are not as formal. Cricket players can wear colour clothes in the same matches. The player batting can wear a helmet to protect his or her head. You can see that in each sport things have changed. New clothes are closer fitting and lighter. This helps people move faster. New equipment is lighter and stronger. This helps people move further. Now go all the way back to the beginning for me. Have a go at reading this on your own. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video, or you can press the play button down here and Oxford Owl will read it to you. You should now be done with reading and onto your Kahoot. You can access Kahoot through Google by typing kahoot.it, or you can access it through the App Store. Your first quiz pin that you need is 0607256. Press enter. Loaded, your quiz will look like this. You need to enter your name to join, press OK Go and complete the quiz. Once you have completed, send a picture to me or your class teacher to show us that you have completed your task. Enjoy and have fun!